Welcome back. We're going to have a lot of fun today. I got my lovely daughter. We're going to be building the dome. We're going to start the dome. You know, everything about this project has been exciting, although I have to admit the putting down that floor, that was a bear. That was a lot of work. Those tiles are heavy, and when they get wet, they're very, very sharp, and they're, you know, difficult to work with. So anyway, so today we're going to start constructing the dome by trying to lay the first course. That's kind of my goal today, is maybe lay 1 or 2 courses around the dome. Think about building an igloo. That's what we're doing here, but not with ice. And the doorway is going to be constructed around a couple of beautiful forms that the Fire Brick Company provide. So this is not an instructional video. We're just taking you along for the ride. There's nothing here. If you want to know how to do this, go to the Fire Brick Company website, and they have a whole playlist of how to build the D105 or the other different fire brick places. What am I saying? Ovens. Fire brick ovens. So anyway, my tongue gets wrapped around sometimes. But anyway, let's step over and I'll show you how we're going to lay this out. Now remember, I told you that there was a reason for the hole in that center tile. That's it right there. There's that Trammel tool. That's the secret behind this whole process. So that Trammel tool has a pin in it, very sharp pin, and that drops into that hole, and that will describe the entire dome as that Trammel tool goes around, and it also will go straight up until we get to the upper courses, and then we have something else to do. First thing we're going to do, though, is to take the Trammel tool with a carpenter's pencil, and we want to make a line, make an arc on this brickwork. So we're going to draw a center line from the corners of those tiles right back to this center line that I drew on this starter tile. And that's our layout line. So are you still on your mark out there, hon?
Yep. Yep.
So that's it.
You think that looks level?
It looks good. Yeah, it looks really nice.
Oh no.
What happened, honey?
I lifted it out. Was I good? I think I was good. I just lifted it out.
There you go.
Wait, are you guys gonna make pizza out here?
Huh?
You're gonna make when you want to make pizza. You're gonna make it out here.
Right out here. Yeah. The doorway of the pizza oven's right here. There'll be a big fire in there with smoke going up the chimney.
Oh, we're all gonna get to learn how to do it.
So you'll be able to make your own pizza.
Okay.
Okay.
The bricks are laid more parallel.
I think I have one more.
Huh?
I think I have enough mortar for one more.
Okay.
I think so.
So, honey, what is your profession?
Well, I'm a stay-at-home mom.
Before that, what were you doing?
I'm a registered nurse. But
Cardiac nurse, right?
Cardiac, yeah, mostly.
This is more fun, huh?
Yeah, this is more fun. All right. Does that look good, Rosemary, as far as against the bottom brick?
Looks beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay, if you say so.
So what a great beginning. If you want to get things done around here, get your daughter to do it. She's amazing. She just dug right in. Never built one of these before. Never handled any of this stuff, and she just got right at it. I'm amazed. I'm not amazed at all. She's just fantastic. Well, it's sweltering hot. We have a dew point right now that's about 74-75%. It is just miserable. I'm just soaking wet from perspiration. But we got a great start on things. I can see her loading pizzas and sourdough bread in there already. So, but thanks for watching. For all my Patreon donors, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. God bless.